lovelies, would you like to see how I made this cute bookmark? Of course I made this with a tiny piece of fabric. If you want to see, please keep on watching and let's get right into the video. So I have 3 pieces of fabric here and I have gone ahead to iron my interfacing on each of them. They all measure 4 by 4 on each side. So I'm going to pick a piece of one of them and then form a triangle like you see me doing, and then I'm going to go ahead and take it to my ironing board to give it some stability. So I've gone ahead to iron it. So taking it aside, I'm going to bring the other fabric, putting it right side facing upwards, and then I'm going to place the triangular part of the other fabric on top of this one, and then I will take the third one and place it right side facing each other. Then I'm going to go ahead and take this to my sewing machine and sew on the sides by 1/4 of an inch, but I'm going to leave about 1 inch. This is going to be to turn over the fabric after I'm done sewing. So let's take it to the sewing machine. So after sewing, I'm just going to trim the excess ends, and then I'm going to go ahead and turn this over to the right side. After turning it over, I am going to go ahead and sew round these sides and then close up the other side which is open. I'm going to sew it round by 1/4 of an inch and then I'll go ahead to give it a good press. And that is it for a cute little bookmark. I mean, this is so cute. Thank you for watching. See you on my next tutorial. Bye.